Dear audience, this exciting festival is going on. Now let us see which country is now we have. Please introduce yourself.
We are from Nigeria. We are representing Nigeria here in this festival today.
Now we have watched your concert. Amazing concert, very perfect. Really. Now we have just interested your costume. You have very interesting costume. So can you say something about it? What does it mean? For example, in your hand, you're handing this one. It's very interesting, really.
Thank you. This is the symbol of identity. It's a royalty and identity in my culture in Igbo, because we have three major tribes in Nigeria, which is the Igbo, the Hausa, and the Yoruba. And every tribe here is fully represented. I am representing Igbo. So this represents the symbol of identity.
Identity, this is
authority.
Authority.
Yes,
Oh my God.
Authority.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
So thank you so much. You have very beautiful dress. Is it national dress? As I know, yes.
Yeah.
So you have also some different tribes from others.
Yes, I'm from the Yoruba tribe. I'm from the Yoruba tribe.
Yoruba tribe.
Yoruba tribe.
Yoruba tribe. I heard it first time. Really. As I know, most students here doesn't know about your culture. You have very colorful culture, very beautiful,
Thank you.
And you did a very perfect performance. Now I would like to have a little bit national dance together, all of us.
Oh.
Is it okay? Okay. Like that?
Like that. You have to go down a little.
Like that.
Yeah, you have to go down.
Okay. What would you like to say for other cultures? What would you like? Okay.
I think other cultures are beautiful, and I love every other culture, and especially my culture also. So I would like to see more of this next year and any other year that comes. So thank you.
Inshallah. How did you find Turkish culture? How did you find?
Interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah, interesting.
Do you have something?
It was quite fun to watch. Yeah.
What about Turkmenistan? Do you know? Have you heard about Turkmenistan? How do you find it?
A very beautiful culture, I must say.
I love Turkmenistan cuisine. Turkmenistan palau is so delicious. It's really good. Yeah.
It's very special food.
Gorgeous. Their dress is gorgeous. Down.
Thank you so much. We are from Turkmenistan actually. Thank you so much. And you are first time here, yes?
Yeah, this is my first time here. This is my first time too.
My second time.
Okay, I wish you all success. Have a fun, have enjoy. Please, thank you so much.
Housing Consultant.